Alright, so this guy finds what looks less like a knife and more like a fossilized tetanus stick at a flea market and pays $5 for it. He says it's in very good shape, which is a level of optimism I can only dream of. The blade is basically dust, but it can still brutally mangle a banana, so I guess it's got that going for it. He starts by giving it a quick brush off before moving on to some questionable science. That's right, we're making rusty knife soup with vinegar, salt, and a dash of electricity. After a few hours in the rust jacuzzi, he pulls it out, gives it a scrub, and then it's off to the sandblaster, which reveals the blade has the texture of the moan. Now he's filing it down, and honestly, at this point, he's not even restoring it anymore. He's just inventing a whole new knife. Okay, I'm back and he's sharpening this thing on a series of fancy rocks. The pitted blade is now nickel-plated, the handle is made of some kind of magical gold-infused space amber, and there's a cat who seems to be supervising the final quality check. That's right, the ultimate test, slicing salmon for the true boss of the workshop. And it cuts like a dream. The cat approves. I'm not gonna lie, from a $5 piece of junk to this, I'm speechless. What would you rate this insane project? Let us know in the comments, and give the cat a name while you're at it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.